Hi everyone, welcome to LoukyamGuru YouTube channel. This is the very good opportunity to you for getting good knowledge on real numbers chapter, and I hope that you should learn all the concepts which were covered in the real numbers. So this flowchart is very useful to you regarding the process of learning real numbers chapter. So now let me discuss about real numbers. So real numbers included in all boards like SCERT, NCERT textbooks and CBSE syllabus. Also in all syllabus, real numbers chapter covered in all syllabus. So anyhow, real numbers is classified into two types. One is rational numbers and another is irrational numbers. And then after, rational numbers are again divided into two types, fractions and integers. And fractions are also classified into three types, proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction. And as well as integers also divided into, classified into two types, negative integers and whole numbers. And whole numbers also classified into again two parts, natural numbers and zero. So natural numbers also classified into again four parts, odd numbers, even numbers, prime numbers and composite numbers. For getting clear-cut idea on real numbers, you must learn from here odd numbers. Then after you can learn about the even numbers. Then after you can learn about the prime numbers, composite numbers. You can follow like here. First we need to learn about the odd numbers. I hope that you have learned about the odd numbers in your previous class. Then after, the concept of odd number covered in second and third class. Then after, even numbers, prime numbers, composite numbers, whatever it may be. If you forget these concepts, you don't bother and you don't worry. This channel helps you for getting more knowledge. So anyhow, better to learn each concept. First we need to learn about odd numbers, then after even numbers, prime numbers, composite numbers, then after natural numbers. The combination of natural numbers and zero together are called whole numbers. Whole numbers are denoted by or represented by W, then after integers. Okay, the combination or the collection of negative integers and whole numbers together are called integers. So in generally, integers are denoted by I or Z. Why we are using the word I for indicating integers means, so integer, in the word integer the first word is, in the word integer the first letter is I. So that's why indicated integers are indicated or located by I or Z. Why we are using the letter Z for locating or for denoting integers means the word Z, the letter Z derived from the word German word, that is Zehlan. So the word Zehlan is derived from German. And again fractions. Now the combination of integers and fractions together are called rational numbers. Rational numbers are also classified into two types, fractions and integers. The combination of integers and fractions or integers are called rational numbers. It means again fractions are derived classified into three types, proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction. So here the combination of rational numbers and irrational numbers together are called real numbers. If I explain like this, you can't understand. So that's why better to learn in a proper way. So you must get a clear-cut idea on the real numbers flowchart. This flowchart is very useful to you. This flowchart is very essential and mandatory for learning the concept which were included in the real numbers. You must see this real numbers flowchart again and again, once or twice, then you can get a clear-cut idea about the real numbers. So I hope that I hope that after getting the clear-cut idea on the real numbers, so now let we move to into a chronological order. So what I want to say that we need to learn first odd numbers, then after even numbers, then after prime numbers in a sequence order. So when we are going to learn about the whole numbers, some concepts are included in the whole numbers we can learn later. So now first now we are going to learn about the odd numbers. Odd numbers. The definition of odd number is nothing but the numbers which are not divisible by 2 are called odd numbers. Later we can easily, by taking example, I can explain you which are called odd numbers, which are called even numbers, why some numbers are called odd and why some numbers are called even. Later I can give a clarification and a clear-cut data about regarding this. So anyhow, now let me discuss about odd numbers. So the definition of odd number is the numbers which are not divisible by 2 are called odd numbers. So we must take some example for getting the idea on the odd numbers. So later in the next video I can make the next video based on that concept, example concept. So just observe here the definition only. The numbers which are not divisible by 2 are called odd numbers. So some numbers are there. So if you write any numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, take any number as your wish. So I would like to take a number 49 and I want to divide 49 by 2. So just observe here, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. What is your remainder? Your remainder is here, I mean 4 minus 4, we can't get directly remainder. We can take another some steps here for getting remainder. So 4 minus 4 0, take 9 as it is. So see here, 2 1s are 2, nearest value of 9, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Take here 2 4s are 8. And what is your remainder? Your remainder is, our remainder is 1. If you leave remainder 1, then such number is called odd number. So in this process, so this is the very simple number, 49 is a 2-digit number. So that's why I have divided this 49 by 2 and quickly I got remainder 1. But some numbers are there, some 2-digit numbers are there, 3-digit numbers are there, 4-digit numbers are there, 10 digits are 10-digit numbers are there. So what can you at the time, how can you say the given number is odd or even? By using this process. If you use this process, then this process will take more time and this is a time consuming process. So that's why what can you do? One easy simple shortcut technique is there for identifying odd numbers. In generally, how can you remember odd number? Just observe the odd, ODD, odd number, ODD. In the word odd, first letter is O. First letter is O. In the word odd, first letter is O. O for ONE 1. You remember here, O for ONE 1. It means odd number started with 1. Write 1, leave 2, write 3, leave 4, write 5, leave 6, write 7. So you go through this process. 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27 and so on infinity. Just observe the 2-digit numbers here. These are the 2-digit numbers. 23, 25, 27. Observe in the 2-digit numbers what's its ones place value. 1. Here 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, again 9, 29 is there. Next 31, 33, 35, 31, 33, 35. My next odd number is 37, 39, etc. infinity. It means observe its ones place value. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So there is a simple way for remembering odd numbers. How can you remember odd numbers? There is no need to divide a number by 2. This is the definition. But don't go through the definition. So what can you do? Just observe its ones place value. If that number may be 2-digit number, maybe 3-digit number, 4-digit number, whatever it may be, just you have to observe its ones place value. If any number that contain in its ones place 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 these digits, then such number becomes odd number, or such number is known as odd number. It means odd numbers must have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 these digits in their ones place. So just there is no sufficient space to write, so that's why I want to write here a number. If a big number will be given there, then how can you identify that number is an odd or not? Just observe here 5, 6, 7, 8, 0, 3, 4, 5, 7, 1, 3. How can you say this number? If you go through the definition, if you divide this number by 2 and if you follow the continue process, then you will last your whole time. So that's why no need to divide this number in that way. Just we need to observe its ones place digit. This number contain 3 in its ones place, hence it is a odd number. It is an odd number. It means odd numbers must contains 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 in its ones place. I hope that you have understood this concept. Later in the next video we can get more basics and more concepts on regarding remaining concepts. So my dear students, and everyone should subscribe, share and give like for this video. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.